Well, Indianapolis and the central Indiana region is not at all meeting the demand for public transit services.
In Indianapolis, a lot of people have never seen a good transit system at work, and how powerful that is for just making the city more livable.
The city is laid out in a very intelligent, grid-like fashion, which makes getting around in a car fairly easy. But as we get bigger, the city needs to take a little better thought process as far as how we want to continue to be able to move people around.
We are the 12th largest city in the United States, yet our bus system in terms of the bus fleet size is 83rd nationally. So we are not at all keeping pace with our peer cities and a city of our size in terms of the public transit system and services that we provide to the residents.
Transit can be a catalyst for placemaking, creating more vibrant, mixed-use, diverse places for people to live and work if it's executed properly.
The neighborhoods that we work with, the urban neighborhoods, were built to have transit serving them, and they will work much more effectively and be much more appealing places for people to live and invest in if they have better transit service.
What's most important is connecting to the right destinations, going where people want to go. The mode is really less important. Whether it's rail, whether it's bus, is really not as significant a decision as aligning the destinations ultimately where people want to be, where they want to live and work. And employment is really the most important of those.
Studies done by the American Public Transportation Association indicate that for every $1 invested in public transit, we get $4 in economic returns.
When certain employers are looking to relocate and they start to look at central Indiana, one of the big things they have questions about are where is our public transportation system, and is it actually going to improve and grow over the years to come?
Probably more than 70% of our employees rely on the public transportation system to get to work. So the Indigo system and the bus routes in Indianapolis are extremely important, not only to our employees, but for the fulfillment of the mission that we have here at Crossroads.
I think that a better public transit system would increase people's ability to live without a car and decrease the cost of living without a car.
I couldn't find a use for my car anymore, so I decided, hey, I'll just park it for a little bit, and then decided, look, you know what, I don't need this at all. My wife and I cut down to one vehicle, and I've been happy using the bus system and biking each day.
Even if you don't ride, the people that you depend on in terms of the service sector, restaurant workers, hotel workers, healthcare professionals, a lot of those people depend on transit, and those are people that we depend on. So it really benefits all of us to have a better public transit system in Indianapolis.